Watch this. She didn't shoot her quills out. That's a myth. The quills don't release easily unless they hit something and get pushed in first. They're super sharp, sharper than this hypodermic needle. And check this out. The tip is covered in microscopic, backward-facing barbs. When you try to remove it, the barbs fan out, keeping the quill lodged in. Youch! If you get a bunch in an unlucky spot like your mouth, that makes it hard to, live. But even though they're super painful, getting stuck with a quill doesn't usually lead to infection. The quill's grease acts like a natural antibiotic, inhibiting the growth of some dangerous bacteria.